Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you a cool tool. So it's going to type whatever you say. Right now I am on Google Documents, and what you'll need to do is that you'll need to open the link in the description of my video. So once you open the link, you are going to be on Google Documents, and make sure that you create a new document. And then once you create your document, what I want you to do is that I want you to click on Tools, then go to voice typing. So now this is voice typing. So for example, right now if I click on it and if I say something, it's going to type that in. So this is now English US. So now I'm going to say something in English. So let's go. Hello, comma. My name is the wheelchair guy, period. I hope that you are having a great day! Exclamation mark. So did you see how it typed that in? And if we look at it, you'll notice that it has put the punctuation there, and this is a stop sign, the period is there, and it's really nice. So this is in English, and even if you want to speak another language, it can also type that in. So for example, I'm going to try Spanish. So let's go with something Espanol. Alright, so I'm going to say something in Spanish, and let's see if it's going to type that in. So, hola, ¿cómo estás? Bienvenido en mi channel. You see, it typed everything in Spanish there. For example, I'm going to say something else. Hola amigos, me llamo Jack. Yo vivo in San Diego, California. So you see it typed that in. So hola amigos and everything. So now let's try another language. So I'm going to try Arabic. So I'm going all the way down. I'm going to choose an Arabic. Alright, so now this is Arabic UAE. So listen, and I'll say something in Arabic and it should type that in. So let's go. أهلا وسهلا في هذا الفيديو. You see it typed that in, and it's really nice. Even if you talk for I think 10 minutes, it will type that in. So this tool is really useful, and now I'm going to give it one last try with a language that I speak poorly. So I'm going to choose Turkish. So let's go with Turkish. So where's Turkish? Here's Turkish. Alright. Selam kardeş. Seni çok seviyorum. Teşekkür ederim. You see, it typed that in. So I just spoke Turkish and it typed that in. So I hope you try this tool, and I hope it's going to help you in some way. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. So I will see you all in the next video.